Alright, this video is on the hydraulic pump lever. It has a spring in there that returns this back to the neutral position so it's not lifting up or down. There's a spring inside there that always brings that back. When mine broke, one spring broke on one side, so it would pull back one way but not the other. And now during the snowstorm, the other side broke. And I didn't have time to take it apart, and I come up with this idea with these two springs on here. I can raise it, and then it goes back to neutral. I can lower it, and it goes back to the neutral state. So you can fix it this way until you have time to fix it the right way, or come up with a different system. This was just what I had to do it real quick. But I did it on a Wheel Horse 1054, but a lot of the Wheel Horses have this this pump here. Boy, this camera don't focus very good. But that's how you fix that anyways when you're in a jam. Alright.